Welcome to Golden Heart School of Nursing. Today, I'll be performing the skill modified passive range of motion for one knee and one ankle. Okay? Wash, knock, can I come in? CNA Mario, can I check your wristband? Mary Jones, Mrs. Jones or Mary? Alright, Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones, I'm instructed by the nurse to do the passive range of motion exercise. You let me know if there's pain while I'm doing the exercise. Okay, let me just close the curtain for your privacy. I did close the door for your privacy. I raised the bed at my working level. I made sure that those two beds lock are on. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna support your ankle and below your knee. I'm gonna do the flexion and extension. Here we go. You let me know if there's pain. Alright, slowly, gently. Any pain, any discomfort? 1. Any pain, any discomfort? 2. Any pain, any discomfort? 3. Slowly, gently supporting the ankle and below the knee. Any pain, any discomfort? That's good. Any pain, any discomfort? Very good. Slowly, gently. Alright, now we're gonna do the plantar dorsiflexion and plantar extension. Alright, we'll do the extension first. I'm gonna support your ankle. Any pain, any discomfort? 1. Any pain, any discomfort? 2. Any pain, any discomfort? 3. Alright, now let's do the plantar dorsiflexion. Here we go. Any pain, any discomfort? Supporting your ankle. 2. Any pain, any discomfort? Slowly. Any pain, any discomfort? 3. Alright, very good. Any pain, any discomfort? Alright, very good, Mrs. Jones. You did a good job. I'm gonna do the same thing on your other foot. And we're done for today, Miss Jones. I'm just gonna make sure that you're safe. Here's your call light. Your bed is locked here. Your rail is up. Your bed is locked here. Your bed is at the low position. Your body is aligned. I'm gonna keep your curtain closed here. Your side table. Wash my hands. Report and record. Skills complete.